project that I just did. So we'll start from the Azure DevOps portal. So this is my Azure DevOps. I mean Microsoft Azure DevOps portal. So this is my portal. This command make all. This make all will kind of prepare your it will install all the dependencies. If you check here, if you check the make all file here, where is it? Make file. So this make file has some commands just to um, install everything you need to install. I have a rule. I have it to like this requirement.txt. This requirement.txt. Just see this make file as like a file. I mean make all again. Everything will pass again. Once again, it's passed. So from there, so the next thing from there is if you go to our GitHub, we need to set up a GitHub workflow. I mean a workflow on GitHub that wherever there's a new commit into the repository, a workflow will trigger. And so this is a workflow YAML file prepared. So this is just the YAML file. It will trigger a new action build. So if you come to actions here, I have some builds that I mean some workflows. If you look at this one, I commented it update readme. So actually what I did here is I was testing something out on this local environment or any other file types here. So it must be in YAML. So once you commit, it will add it to your project and the workflow will always trigger. So so the next thing is coming back to the portal. So I think we've passed all these guys. So this is where I'm talking about the workflow. I changed something in my README file and the test everybody. You can see this versioning. I mean git version, git control. So I commit every changes I have done back to the upstream. So this is what I was doing right here. Though I was having some challenges at some point that I need to verify. This is very, very important. You have to source into your virtual environment. So after I source into the virtual environment, I run python app.py. This will initiate the application. It will start the application. So it started at port 3000. If I want to access the application with my local host address, you know this 127.00.1, this is my local host address with the port 3000. So and also if I'm not using the local host address, I can also access it at this IP address. So that's for that. What's okay? So if I let me collapse this. Okay, so after that, I will create a web app. In this, I'll create a resource group. If I run this command az the web app or the name of my web app, I give it this name into this resource group. So I'm asking it to create an app service. If you come to my portal, here's my portal. I'm coming. Let me open up my portal. Let me duplicate this just to open it up. Okay, so this is my portal. Let me go to this one. Let me check my subscriptions. So I have two subscriptions, so I'm using this one generally. So inside my subscription, I have resource groups created. These are currently my resource groups. So this Flask app resource group is what I'm using for my uh, Flask application. So if you look at this is an app service that I created with this command, with this az web app up minus n. This n is just like an alias, is a tag for name. I can at the same time use dash dash name instead of dash n. So this is the name of my that's the name of my app service. So this is right here. It's created the app service and it's created it into this location because this is the location of my resource group. I'm using East US because I'm currently in Nigeria. So it depends on your location. If someone is in Europe, they can always use maybe Europe or West US or something. If there's an Azure availability zone there, if they have some regions there, so you can easily use any region that is very, very close to you. So this is the app service. If I open it, so this my app service is running at this East US location in this subscription ID in this is the domain name of my app service. So if I click this domain name, you can see I can access the front, the UI. I can access the application with this UI at this URL, at this domain name. So my application is up and running. So after I have made sure my app service is up and running, this is clear all out. I hope this help you out. So after you after you source into the, thank you very much.